Hello students, today we are going to look for class 9, chapter number 10, Kathmandu, multiple choice questions. Before going to the multiple choice question, let me give you a short summary of this chapter. This chapter, Kathmandu, is written by Vikram Seth, and Vikram Seth once visited Kathmandu, which is the capital of Nepal. So, in this chapter, he recalls some of his memories. He visited the famous Pashupatinath temple of Hindus. He also visited the Bodhanath Stupa, which is a famous Buddhist shrine. You can say Bodhanath Stupa, which is a famous Buddhist temple. He visited in the Kathmandu. He visited many other small shrines in the busiest part of the city. The writer had been away from home for so many days. He began to feel tired and homesick. And so what he does is he goes into the Nepal Airlines office. He buys a ticket for the next day's flight. And when he comes out, he sees a man selling flutes. He gives a detailed description of this man, of his music and his flutes. The writer wonders how he noticed all these small details because on previous occasions he had never felt any interest in them. So, in this chapter, this was about the short summary of Kathmandu written by Vikram Seth. Now, let us see the multiple choice question. So, after going through whole chapter, I recommend you to watch this video and analyze yourself whether you are able to answer the questions or not. So, first question, let us begin. Stupa is a temple, a church, a shrine, or a mosque. Answer is option number C, a shrine. Shrine means a temple, okay, or a religious place, you can say. Next, the small shops surrounding the Bodhanath Stupa are owned by Bodh monks, Tibetan immigrants, local Tibetans, both A and B. So the answer is Tibetan immigrants. Next one, in what sense this is a heaven of quietness? Now here what does this heaven means? Heaven means a safe place. It means a safe place. So कौन सा सेंस में उसे heaven of quietness कहा गया था? Silence prevails there. Every activity goes on quietly. That is a religious place, or both A and B. So your answer is both A and B. Next one, the meaning of the phrase blare out is sound loudly and stridently, muse inadvertently, entertain completely, irritate strongly. The answer is option number A, sound loudly and stridently. What do we mean by stridently? A very unpleasant noise, okay, which is a very, very loud or very unpleasant noise. Next one, the meaning of the word protrude is dash, extend outward, project, fixed, both A and B. So your answer is option number both A and B. प्रोट्रूड का मतलब क्या होता है? कम्स आउट, जो भी चीज़ बाहर की तरफ आ रही है या प्रोजेक्ट हो रहा है कुछ भी, उसको हम बोलेंगे प्रोट्रूड. द साउंड ऑफ द फ्लूट प्लेड बाय द फ्लूट सेलर आउटडोर्स. ऑप्शंस आर द नॉइज ऑफ द ट्रैफिक, द क्राइज ऑफ हॉकर्स, द साउंड मेड बाय टेम्पल बेल्स, both A and B. So your answer is option number both A and B. The noise of the traffic and the cries of the hawkers. जो साउंड प्ले हो रहा था फ्लूट, जो मतलब फ्लूट में से जो साउंड निकल रहा था, फ्लूट सेलर जो उसे बजा रहा था, तो वो आउटडस कर रहा था. आउटडस मतलब होता है टू डू समथिंग बेटर देन अदर. आप किसी से कुछ बेहतरीन कर रहे हो, ज़्यादा अच्छा कर रहे हो, तो वो जो नॉइज़ है ना, वो किसको ओवरटेक कर रहा था? द नॉइज़ ऑफ द ट्रैफिक एंड द क्राइज ऑफ द हॉकर्स. Next one, the meaning of the phrase in an off-handed way is extemporaneously, aggressively, effortfully, or desperately. So your answer is option number A, extemporaneously. Extemporaneously means what? Not showing much interest in something. किसी चीज़ में आप ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिखा रहे हो, उसको हम बोलेंगे extemporaneously. That is the meaning of the phrase in an offhanded way. Next one, the meaning of the phrase breaks off is dash, enters in argument with, stop stops abruptly, leaves the place suddenly, forgets suddenly. The answer is option number B, stops abruptly. एब्रप्टली मीन्स सडनली किसी को स्टॉप कर देना इन बिटवीन, उसका मतलब होता है ब्रेक ऑफ करना. नेक्स्ट वन, द फ्रेज टेयर अवे हियर मीन्स व्हाट? टू पुल अपार्ट और into the pieces by force, to leave or depart very quickly, to abandon, to compromise with. The answer is option number B, to leave or depart very quickly. What kind of musical instrument is a flute? Flute किस तरह का इंस्ट्रूमेंट है? percussion instrument, woodwind instrument, stringed instrument, electronic instrument. The answer is option number B, that is woodwind instrument. वुडविंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्या होते हैं? जिसको आप ब्लो ऑफ करके आप उसमें से आवाज़ निकलता है. इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच इज़ प्लेड बाय ब्लोइंग इनटू देम. नेक्स्ट वन, flutes differ in their specific fingering, compass, shape, both A and B. The answer is option number both A and B, specific fingering and compass. The motive force of a flute is dash, living breath, skill of the player, its make, its range. The answer is option number A, living breath. So this was all about the MCQs of chapter number 10, Kathmandu. If you really understood my video and liked my video, please give it a like, share among your friends and subscribe my channel for more such videos. And if you have any queries, you can comment me in the comment section for sure. Thanks for watching.